Ngeveke pheleleko e-SABC kuphi statement esiveza bona ukujuguluka kwendlela erhatsha ngayo yajugulukela endleleni entsha yetechnology kwenze bona ilahlekelwe zeemali khulu. SABC ithi sekufakelwe abantu abayi-165,000 amabhoksi amatsha enza bona ithelevishini ibonakale kuhle. Kusatlayela abayi-2.9 million ekusafanele bafakelwe amabhoksana layo. Lokhu kugunungqongqotshe wezokuthintana ukhumuzo Ntshavheni utshela ipalamende bona uzohlangana nebhodi ye-SABC vekele ingakapheli. Ngqongqotshe ufuna ihlangano leyo ezokurhatsha ihlathulule lokhu akubiza ngokuthi zintatimende eziphikisanako zokulahlekelwa kwayo imali e-SABC.
The Auditor General will test if the reported information is in fact reliable, is a fair representation of the facts, if there are material misstatements, and whether the financial statements and performance information are in fact credible.
Abaqozululi bathi ungqongqotshe kufanele angazingeni indaba ezikude naye ekufanele zirarululwe yibhodi ye-SABC. Bathi ngathana udlalela kude khulu nendaba ze-SABC. Lokhu njengombana i-TV ilowe icala ngendaba yokuchugululela ehlelweni elitsha lezorhatsha. Ikhotho ithe ihlelo likuzokufanele lithwiliswe lingasathomi ngomhla ka-30 kuNdaka. Kodwana lithulisela ukuthoma nge-30 kuMgwengweni.
I think given the court ruling that has complied with the SABC's request about delaying the analog switch-off date to the 30th of June, I think and I would hope that the Minister would have seen the light and withdrawn her deeply unfortunate letter. I think for the Minister to threaten to withdraw funds from the SABC is a direct act of interference.
Ngqongqotshe wezokuthintana uNtshavheni usamukela isahlulelo sekhothe ephakemeko yePitori sokuloba kwe-e.tv icala. Wathi kuzokufanele balamukele.
Given what has happened, I had to exercise my responsibility to Parliament to say the reports that I had submitted on the bona fides of their accuracy, when they are contradicted in a public statement, I must then alert Parliament that I cannot continue to leave those reports there. That's why I formally provisionally withdrawn the reports until the SABC clarifies themselves and their position, so that I cannot be accused later of misleading Parliament.
Ukudosana okhona phakathi kwe-SABC nongqongqotshe wezokuthintana kuzokuthinta kumba amachuguluko namahlelo amatsha wehlangano le yezorhatsha.